Good day, everyone. Dr. Jose Rizal once said, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Education is a powerful tool that can uplift the nation from poverty. It builds dreams, hope, and spirit to continue fighting. But for that to happen, primary education should be accessible to all, not just for the rich, for the middle, or for the poor. Neither just the white skin, brown skin, or the black skin. Not for the fast learner or the slow learner. All of us should have the right to primary education. But sadly, not every child has access to quality education. Some are forced to work, walk miles to school, or stop learning entirely. One of a real-life story is my own dad. My father always told us to study hard. I used to hear those words all the time, but I never really understood what it meant. Then, out of nowhere, my father shared with us why he wasn't able to finish all of his studies. His teacher failed him, not just once, but twice. Even though he was left behind, he didn't give up easily. He went back to school, studied harder, and tried again. But no matter how much effort he gave in, his teacher still failed him. Eventually, he grew tired and so. A young boy in 7th grade, full of dreams, had to let go of everything. Not because he was smart, but because of one teacher's anger and unfair treatment. It's heartbreaking, truly heartbreaking. No child should lose their future because of someone else's bitterness. That's why now, every time my father tells us to study hard, I finally understand. Education is not just about books and grades. It's about fighting for your dreams. And most all of us, every student, deserve a fair chance to learn and succeed. It is indeed not fair. How can we expect a better world if we don't give every child a chance? We must act not tomorrow, but today. Governments, schools, communities, and individuals must work hand in hand to ensure no child is left behind. When we invest in primary education, we invest in brighter, stronger, and more equal future. Let us raise our voice for the children who cannot speak for themselves. Primary education for all is not just a goal, it's a promise we must keep. Thank you.